In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed form on Mailerlite site. We'll start right from the Mailerlite dashboard so you can follow along easily. Once you're logged in and you land on the main dashboard, head to the Forms area. This is where all your sign-up forms live and where you'll manage how they appear across your site. Inside Forms, switch to the Embedded Forms option. This view filters your forms to those designed to sit directly on a page rather than pop-ups. Find the form you want to use and open its overview. If you have multiple forms, choose the one that matches your goal and styling so you don't have to redo work later. On the overview page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Embed Form into your website. This is the hub for everything you need. Here you'll notice two primary ways to embed. The first is the JavaScript snippet. This is the simplest method for most setups because it loads the form dynamically. It's great if you want Mailerlite to handle updates automatically, and it helps keep your page code cleaner. If your site builder supports pasting small script tags into a custom code block, this is usually the smoothest path. Right below that, you'll see the HTML code option. This provides the full markup of the form. Choose this if you prefer maximum control over layout or if your site's security settings restrict external scripts. Keep in mind that with HTML, you may need to carry over any required styles and updates won't sync automatically unless you replace the code later. Pick one method for a page to avoid conflicts. There's also a handy show on click event option. Use this if you want the form to appear only after someone clicks a button or link, keeping your page cleaner until the visitor takes action. The tool provides a ready-made snippet that binds the form to your chosen trigger, which is perfect for minimal designs or when space is tight. When you're ready, hit the copy button next to the code you've selected. That places the exact snippet onto your clipboard. From here, you're set to place it where your site allows custom code. If you're using the JavaScript method, paste it as is without altering the script. If you chose HTML, paste the full block and keep related styles intact. After embedding, preview your page to confirm spacing, responsiveness, and that the click-to-show behavior, if used, fires correctly. And remember, stick to one embed method per page for the cleanest, most reliable result.